Alright guys, we're in Tennessee. We're in our new house. Oh, bad lighting. There we go. We're on our new house. We've been in here for a couple of days. Well, first off, let's do this first, and then we'll go for a little stroll. Ozzy likes going for a stroll, so we'll take Ozzy for a stroll. But first, we'll go through the house. Little bit of a disappointment. Doing a contingent, we didn't really see the house until the day we closed. Right before we closed, we came and we did our final walkthrough. I'm not extremely upset with it. Let's put it this way: all of the skills that I learned in Colorado, I am applying to this house. So every skill that I learned from Russ is paying off, because if we were to purchase this place before, I probably would not have known how to do some of it. A majority of it. So if you wonder why there's, let's go through. So this is the master bedroom. They had the folding doors there. Those are gone. As you can see, we painted the ceiling. Yes, we painted the ceiling. Still got some spots, because I did this room at night, so there's still a couple of spots that I need to touch up. Bathroom. We're eventually going to get rid of all that stuff, the vanity and things like that. Yeah, we're getting rid of that. I'm thinking about putting a window there. It's too dark in here. There is no there is no window for any bathroom. So we've got a pretty big space up there, so maybe we can get a window, somebody to come in here and do a window. I've never done a window, but the shower heads need to come off. We'll see. Toilet's okay, but the vanities have got to come out. I'm replacing all the switches, all the plugs, all the covers. I don't think this thing is working anymore, so I'm probably going to cover that up. We'll pull that off and cover it up before we start painting and things like that. So I'm going to put sliding doors there. We're painting this a different color. How do you like your new house, Ozzy? Yeah. Oh, tile is going in that. Oh yeah, and it's not that they didn't leave the holes. They left the screws, so I had to pull them to create the hole, to fix the hole. So this house is extremely freaking dirty. We have to replace the blinds. They're freaking nasty. May have to replace that window. That's not because of them. I think that's due to the sun, because this room is going to get hit with the sun all day. Holy shit! There we go. This is why we moved here. There we go. There we go. That's why we moved here, dear. And on our way out here to the to go to the walkthrough, got a turkey and her babies. Laundry room, we're putting double door here, and I think I'm going to get one of those pre-hung doors. That way I don't have to mess around with the molding or anything or mess around with this. I just pull all this stuff off and just slip it right in there. open and close the door. So we'll do that. And here we go on this. Not a bad fireplace. I haven't checked it out. We haven't turned it on. Since this place is so dirty, we'll probably have somebody come out and service that before we even remotely flick the switch and turn it on. Yeah, look at all that shit. I had to fix all that all the tape and stuff like that up there. This is one of the bedrooms. As you can see, it had the bifolding doors. Those are gone. We have to replace 2 doors. This is the other bathroom. This one's okay, but we're going to get rid of the vanity. That's going to go. Color's going to change. This isn't that bad of a bathroom, but also, like I said, maybe we could put a window there and get some light in here. I do not like that there's no freaking light. You know, so I'm pretty sure that is the full back of the house. So I don't see why they wouldn't be able to put a couple windows there. And here's the pink room. This is going to be the office. This is going to be Tina's office. So yeah, that's not going to stay pink either. So, oh, wonderful. Oh, the fans are going. Bifolding door, gone. I mean, it's an okay house. It's not bad. It's small, which is fine. We don't need a lot of space, but a lot of freaking work. We weren't expecting to do this much. You know, we were expecting to do something, but you know, nothing like this. This garbage floor is gonna go. And let's go out into the sunroom. The sunroom's okay. It's not bad, but show you how dirty this fan is. It must have been running forever. Even when we came in, it was still running. Look at the dirt on that, you know? And it was running because they didn't want to get up there and fucking put a, excuse my language, put a damn chain on it so they could shut it. So, locks have been changed. Are you ready to go on your little stroll? Go on your stroll. Yeah, we got to do something with the landscaping there. I do not like that. And we knew that. We saw that from the pictures. So, got to figure out what I want to do with that. I think I may fill it. Try to fill it in. Because I thought about maybe, you know, grading it. But then I was like, well, if you grade it, you know, because we are eventually going to need a bigger garage. So all of this is ours. So we're gonna have to put a garage somewhere. And I was thinking about, I can't remember how big the garage was. I think it was like 20 by 21 or something like that. No, 21 by 25, something like that. And then I was thinking about using that dirt and putting it over there. So Ozzy, come on. Yeah, the other thing is I think those neighbors just moved in too, because we saw them unpacking their things the same day that same couple of days we were over here. So, and they have 3 dogs. And they kind of let their 3 dogs kind of run around wherever they want, which is fine. I don't care. But I gotta watch him. Come on, Oz, this way. Oh, look at that. He had a freaking... You had a butterfly attached to your butt. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on, Oz. Let's go. Come on, let's go for a stroll. Atta boy. Yeah, he likes it. He likes his land. See, we saw pictures of this in the right in the spring. So none of this was green. It was all, you could see through it all. So now that it's actually green, you know, I mean, it's, you have your own, you know, you have your own privacy with the trees there, so it's great. Stay with me, buddy. So I've been taking him around, getting him familiar with the property, telling him to stay out of the road, things like that. Here's the other thing. I don't know when I'm going to be able to do another video. We have been going through. We are going through another family passing. It just keeps coming for us. So first it was my wife's father, then it was Abby, and now it's my wife's grandfather. So we got to go up to Ohio. So this is not, doesn't look like it's going to be a fun year. So in 6 months, my wife's lost 2 members of her family, including, well, not including Abby, but you know, so we got to make our way up to Ohio. Oh yeah, across the street there, we own that property too. And then there's a creek that goes right there, follows that tree line, like all the way over. So we own here, this whole side. Yeah, we own over here too, on this side. But we own over here too. And it stops. I think there's another tree line right there. And it stops. So technically, they're our neighbors. So I'm liking it. I'm liking it. You know, but we are back in mosquito country, and if you could tell by the look of that, it's going, when it rains, it's going to get swampy. So mosquitoes are going to come out. But I've been debating on whether or not I should do anything over there. You know, I don't want to get it, I don't want it to get like too high, but I still like the nature being there. You know, maybe we'll plant some cherry trees or something like that over there. Maybe. It would be a good spot for them, considering that they get sunlight all day, but I wouldn't be able to see them. So I don't know. We might put something there. Maybe a mother-in-law suite. I don't know, because I think they said that that's a flood zone now. That's inside a flood zone, I think. But one day we'll go back there and we'll check out that creek. And we roll all the way back up to here. Come on, Oz. Yeah, he's smelling those 3 dogs because yesterday they've been running back and forth. Oh, cool. We got the helicopter tree. Going to be a lot of leaves to pick up, but it'll be good for our garden. Yep. All right, guys. Just wanted to show you the property, give you a little bit of an update. All right, you guys take it easy. Oh, we got a lot of work to do. I'll show you what everything looks like when we're done. Should look good. Oh, that was the other thing. On that trim, they went around and they put the wood filler to cover the nail holes, but they did not sand the nail trimmers, or they didn't sand the excess, and they just went ahead and painted over it. So I've got to sand all that trim. So it's gonna be fun. All right, you guys take it easy. Have a good one. Peace.